Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial from the AI Tools for Students series. Today I'm going to show you how to use KreaAI on a Mac. Crea is an advanced platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate images, visual effects and animation extremely quickly. It has become very popular among students, designers and content creators because it allows you to produce professional visuals even if you don't have strong artistic skills. To get started, open your browser on your Mac, Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer, and go to the official KreaAI website. Click on Sign in and log in using your Google account. Once you enter the dashboard, you will see a clean and simple interface. The prompt box is right in the center of the screen, and this is where you type the description of the image you want to generate. Below the prompt, you have the buttons to start generation, and on the sides you can adjust the style, quality and format of your output. If you want to generate an image, click on Image Generation. In the central prompt box, type a detailed description. For example, a futuristic city with neon lights, cyberpunk style. On a Mac, you can also drag and drop an image directly from the Finder into the browser window to use it as a reference. When you're ready, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Crea creates several variations of your image. You can choose the one you like, upscale it for higher quality, or download it to your Mac using the download button. One of the most impressive features is real-time generation. If you have a webcam connected to your Mac, you can activate this mode and watch the AI transform your video feed instantly. For example, if you move your hand or change position, the generated image updates in real time. This is great for dynamic visuals, creative experiments, or quick concept art. Let me show a practical example. Imagine you need an image for a school presentation about sustainable energy. I open image generation and type in the center prompt box a modern city powered by solar panels and wind turbines, realistic style. I click generate and Crea gives me a several professional images. I pick the one that fits my project, download it to my Mac and insert it into my presentation. In less than a minute, I have a high quality visual ready to use. To conclude, KreaAI is a fast, intuitive, and powerful tool, especially in a Mac, where you can take advantage of drag and drop, a high resolution display, and smooth browser performance. It's perfect for students who want to improve their projects in a simple and professional way. Of course, like all tools, it may sometimes generate imperfect details, so it's always good to double check the final result. Overall, I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to create modern, eye catching visual content. Thanks for watching.